Yes, children, let us go to the next topic, how to find out the density of a unit cell. Okay, we have seen packing efficiency in the previous class. Now let's go to find out density of unit cell. You know that density is nothing but mass upon volume. So density of unit cell is equal to mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. Now, mass of unit cell is made up of what? Atoms, isn't it? So this mass of unit cell can be written as number of atoms into mass of one atom. How many ever atoms are there? That into its mass upon volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell is what? It is, we are talking about cubic unit cell. So side of the cube is A. So volume of unit cell is A cube. Right? Okay. Now this mass of one atom. What is mass of one atom? Yes, you know, molecular mass, when you write molecular mass की unit क्या है? It is gram per mole, is it not? What does it mean? 1 mole of atoms is weighing this much. That is the meaning. Okay. Now if I am asking you mass of one atom, 1 mole of atoms is equal to atomic mass or molecular mass according to the substance you are talking about. And if I want to find out one atom, how many atoms are there in 1 mole of atoms? Avogadro number of atoms are there, is it not? So Avogadro number of atoms का mass है atomic mass और molecular mass. तो एक atom का mass क्या होगा? That will be atomic mass upon Avogadro number. This will be mass of one atom. Mass of one atom is atomic mass upon Avogadro number, right? So that is mass of one atom is now replaced by atomic mass upon Avogadro number, volume of unit cell, number of atoms. Number of atoms is denoted by the letter Z. Now here, if it is SCC, then Z is equal to 1. If it is FCC, Z is equal to 4. And if it is BCC, Z is equal to 2. Okay. So this is represented by the letter Z. Then A is nothing but atomic mass. A cube is nothing but volume of unit cell. I told you A is the edge length. And then Avogadro number is represented as Na. So to find out the density of unit cell, this is the formula that you will use. Now in some cases, what will be given? Everything else will be given. You will be asked to find out density. Or density may be given. You may be asked to find out the edge length. Or density is given. You may be asked to find out what type of a cell it is, FCC है, SCC है. तो अगर एक या चार या दो ऐसे आ जाता है तो you can easily guess that it is FCC or BCC or whatever it is. Or you may also be asked to find out the atomic mass given all the other details. Okay. So that's how numericals will come from this particular topic. Now I've given you an example. It's given that it's an FCC unit cell. Edge length is given. That means A is given to you. Density is also given to you. You have to find out the atomic mass, right? Put the formula. Then what do you want to find out? You want to calculate atomic mass. Rearrange the formula according to your need. You want to find out A. So bring A and rearrange the formula. It is D into A cube into Avogadro number upon Z. So rewrite that first and then substitute all the details. Now here it's given 3.608 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Now density is also given in terms of gram per centimeter cube. So you need not have to change anything. Just substitute the values. Don't forget to take this 10 power minus 8. Okay. Then your answer will go wrong. Into Avogadro number upon 4. Why 4 here? Because it's given it is FCC unit cell. In FCC, the number of atoms is 4. That is why you have taken the value of Z as 4. And then you will have to calculate. Okay. If you can use log, it will be well and good. Now, if at all you want to use log, what you will do? You will first find out log of 2.23. Then you will have to find out log of 3.608 and you multiply that by 3 because you have to find out the cube of that, right? And then log 6.02, and this is 10 power minus 1. We can also use it towards the end. It's not a problem. 10 power minus 1 की minus 1 log 10 है वो, log 10 is 1. So you can directly put minus 1 and add all the log values and find out the anti-log of that. Okay, so you have done log वाली problems मैंने आपको सिखाया हुआ है. I'll again tell you in the next problem also. Here by chance I don't have the values, though I used. Okay, I'll show you in the next problem. In the next problem, see, he is given silver is forming CCP lattice. CCP means FCC. Please remember, CCP means FCC. Then edge length is given this many picometer. Now it is given in picometer. Now how will you convert it into centimeter or meter? If you want to convert it into centimeter, then it is 408.6 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter. If you want to show in meters, then it is 10 power minus 12 meter. 10 power minus 12 meter. Right? That is the conversion factor, PM, picometer and centimeter या meter का. Atomic mass is given to you. You have been asked to find out density. You know, 1 picometer is 10 power minus 10 centimeter. So this many picometer is this many centimeter. Since it's given FCC, CCP lattice, so Z is equal to 4. See, this is indirectly given. You have to understand. Then use the same formula. D is equal to Z into A upon A cube into NA. You have to find out density here. Density is asked as null. So substitute all the values. Z value is 4. Atomic mass is already given to you, 107.9. A cube, that is 408.6 into 10 power minus 10, the whole cube. 10 power minus 10 because picometer को आपको centimeter में convert करना है. Into Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 power 23. Now by solving you will get the answer. Now look here, I have shown the log values. By chance there I did not write the log values, so I am not able to say that. Now here you see what you have, 4 into 107.9 into 10 power 7. How you got 10 power 7 here? This is 10 power minus 10 into 3 is minus 30, and here you are having 23. So minus 30 and 23 will give you 10 power minus 7. Now this 10 power minus 7 in the denominator, if it goes up, it will become 10 power 7. That is what I have written here. Okay. Now log 4. 4 is here. Log 4 is 0.6021. Then 107.9. 107 में 3 digits है. So when you write the log value, what you have to do? How many ever digits are there before the decimal? How many ever digits are there minus 1? How many digits? 3 digits are there. So 3 minus 1, 2. That's why I have written 2 here. Then 10 में 7th column के against 9 के against जो mean difference है उसको add करके you will put this, right? And then 10 power 7 is 7.000. So you add everything and keep it on one side. On the other side you have 408.6 into 6.02. तो इन दोनों को log निकाल के add करके रख लो. See, when you want to find out the cube of any number, what you do is take the log and multiply by 3. So you're getting this much. Then for 6.02, the value is 0.7796. So you add these two. Okay. So you've got this value as numerator and this value as denominator. So you find out the difference between the two. You're getting 1.0222. And for 0.0222, the anti-log has to be found out. That anti-log value is 1052. Anti-log is always to be seen only for after the decimal. Only for the number which is after the decimal. Okay? इस पार्ट का कभी एंटी-लॉग नहीं देखते. डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद वाली जो डिजिट्स है उसी का हम एंटी-लॉग लेते हैं. So that is coming out to be 1.052 into 10 power 1. ये 10 power 1 कैसे आया? Whatever is the number here, once you find out the antilog, क्या करना है आपने? फर्स्ट डिजिट के बाद लगाना है एक डेसिमल पॉइंट. Then whatever number is here, that has to be put as the power of 10. So you're getting 1.052 into 10 power 1, or it is 10.52. So the density of silver is 10.52 gram per cubic centimeter. Right? So this is your answer. Same way, there is another question. Atomic mass is given and edge length is given. It's given again in picometer, and atomic mass is given in terms of kg per mole, and density is given in terms of kg per cubic meter. So you convert edge length in the form of meter, okay, because density is given in terms of cubic meter. Then you have to put it in the same way, right?